Hi, on this video we're going to be demonstrating when we have issues with a concrete that has cracks, large cracks or superficial cracks, okay? So we have two products that we carry at Florida Paints. We have what we call our 100% solid crack filler, which is a more mastic looking product. It's got a part A, it's got a part B. When mixed together, you put it on a superficial crack and you can make that repair. Cure time is about 2 hours. Then we have what we call our Polyurea crack filler, okay? Our Polyurea crack filler is a quicker set and it's a product that's used for deeper, wider cracks. So what we typically want to do is we want to be able to grind out the crack, then clean it out, put in silica sand to fill it in, and then with the liquid, the part A, part B, you pour it over and it cures within 15-20 minutes. Major difference between both is deeper, wider cracks with silica sand, quick return to service repair versus a superficial crack repair, which will take 2 hours to cure.